Okay, in this review video for the Unit 5B test, I'm just going to be looking at this section where we're asked to find the discriminant. So problems 13, 14, and 15. You'll be asked on the test to find the discriminant and determine the number of solutions and kind of solutions. So what we have to do is we have to find b squared minus 4ac. This is the part of the quadratic formula that's called the discriminant. So for number 13, when I worked that out, the b was 7 squared minus 4 times a, which is -1, c, which is -15, 49 minus 16, you notice that the discriminant is -11. Well, when your discriminant is negative, that means you're going to have two solutions, but those are going to be two imaginary solutions where we end up with an I in the answer. On number 14, when I plugged everything in, you'll notice that the discriminant is 144. Well, 144 is actually a perfect square, but it's also positive, so we're going to get two real solutions. And then on number 15, when we worked it all out, we noticed that the discriminant was 0. Well, when the discriminant is 0, that means you're going to only have one solution and one real solution. All right, and that's a quick look at finding the discriminant.